Welcome back to my shed, and this video is just going to be a quick video on how I made these bandsaw birds. The beam was left over from when I built my shed. It's pretty dry now, so hopefully it cuts quite well on the bandsaw. Hope you stick around and enjoy this quick video. Thank you for watching the video this far through. I hope you enjoyed this. This was just meant to be a very quick bandsaw video where I made this little bird, and I went one step further and I trimmed the design down so it wasn't so fat, and then I also made a smaller one as well. And yeah, if you want to get hold of a copy of the plans for these, I will make available on my Etsy store, and it will have all the different, so the fat one and the thin one all on the same plan. If you like watching what I produce, if you could hit the subscribe button, that would really help the channel out. And if you want to see more bandsaw animals, I've got a reindeer video which should appear just about here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.